Hi, my name is Sarah Edwards. I'm a teacher from Narracourt High School. I teach years 8 to 12 across the science and maths faculties. I've been using STELR now since I began teaching 3 years ago. We find the STELR kits really beneficial in our school because they really open up the opportunity to have inquiry-based learning in our classrooms. The STELR kits enable students to have really hands-on learning and a unique and authentic learning experience that they wouldn't usually get. With the renewable energy kits, we're able to really tailor the learning to something that's familiar to the students. Especially down here in Narracourt, where a lot of wind farms are going out, we can investigate wind power and model that with the STELR renewable energy kits. Students find the STELR kits really engaging. In fact, students walk into the classroom asking if they can use STELR on that particular day or lesson. I also was introduced to STELR as a student in school. So when I came to this school and I found out that they had STELR equipment, I was absolutely stoked and very excited to implement it in the classroom. What I really like about STELR is not only that the kits are so self-explanatory, STELR also provides lesson plans and unit plans that incorporate their equipment. This is really handy as a teacher because we often find ourselves on the rush, but with the STELR kits we can just pick up the booklet and run with the lesson plans. As a teacher who's been using STELR now for 3 years, I'd hands down recommend using STELR products throughout every school.